Good afternoon, everybody, and happy weekend. I beg you, get one thing where they bother me, and we need to address it. This young boy, when he died, Sylvester Jr. for doing college, I've not really had anything. I've been pondering about this for the past 2 days, and it's been traumatic for me. As a mother who has lost a child, I know how it feels. I know what the mother and the father, and sure the entire family must be going through right now. How can doing college say that boy had an injury while he was playing football? Why would they say that? Why then go even get mind? The proprietor or proprietress of the school get mouth to open say, now ball neither Pikin play. Now in mouth peel like that. Now football peel person mouth like person where they give acid that be waiting and give and drink. Lagos State government, what are we waiting for? NGOs, human rights fighters, what are we waiting for? Is that school still in?
Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, I see this woman where they act a film for Nollywood. So she can't talk about this guy Kpeme, we die for school for body house, Sylvester. So the woman can't talk so many things. I go still put the video more na the way that boy take Kpeme, you know. Now the school, now they need to ask, because the school lied to the family, say not be there the thing for happen, whereas it's not there. Why the schools they behave like this? Why? Now so they say do for Mama John Davis own too. Why una life be like this? Why una they always they want cause problem for where problem none dey? The you see that family now they go they happy say their pikin just Kpeme like that. Una know wetin they do that boy? Don't be smart you. They beat the boy because they not going to join them for their court things where they want to do. They can't give the boy something make he drink. My darling people, they can't give this boy something make this boy drink. This boy can't drink him. They force him drink him. So now those things they can't react for the boy body. All those things they can't react for the boy body. Where we say the boy can't vomit blood. Not be smart thing, my darling people. The thing not confident stay. The boy not confident bear and begin the boy take Kpeme. Eh? When I think say the family go just they happy say their pikin just go like that. Eh? They will come they dance say their pikin go like that. They will come they happy. When I think say the family go come just feel happy say their pikin just go like that. No, they are not going to be happy. They don't feel they happy. Eh? So I just love watching this woman talk. When I know this woman well lost the pikin that time where during NSAS that time. I don't know why they forget her name. This Nollywood actress. Eh? She was right. The whole world really cry for what they do this boy. The whole world, they really cry for what they do this boy. You understand? The whole world cry put. Eh? It's just too painful. May so rest in perfect peace. Very, very painful for what they do this boy. God go judge you now. God go judge you now. The way all those small boys, whenever reach anything, they see they form courtesan. And this is our university now for they do this thing. Even children when there's body house, go see they do this kind of thing. Una when the rest of our children go there, more than go remove our children. More than go remove our children for body house. Before they go corrupt them for una hand. More than go beg, more than run, go remove our children. You understand? More than go remove our children. Before they go enter one chance for that school. So I go put the video now, my darling people, and the thing just vex me. The way that boy just take me, they're very, very painful. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.
Good afternoon, everybody, and happy weekend. I beg you, get one thing where they bother me, and we need to address it. This young boy, when he died, Sylvester Jr. for doing college, I've not really had anything. I've been pondering about this for the past 2 days, and it's been traumatic for me. As a mother who has lost a child, I know how it feels. I know what the mother and the father, and sure the entire family must be going through right now. How can Darwin College say that boy had an injury while he was playing football? Why would they say that? Why then go even get mind? The proprietor or proprietress of the school get mouth to open say, now ball neither Pikin play. Now in mouth peel like that. Now football peel person mouth like person where they give acid that be waiting and give and drink. Lagos state government, what are we waiting for? NGOs, human rights fighters, what are we waiting for? Is that school still in session? People say they go that school. They're supposed to lock that school, investigate this matter. Some people go say, this or that, my own too much. Yes, my own too much. Because person not go feed there for inside river, make soap enter inside the eye. We not go see truth, make we not talk. Say because we won't offend some people. It is high time for all of us to join, most especially women. Make we get up, make we talk through. Darwin College, make we not tell us what to do that young boy. When I saw that boy crying in pains, my heart was broken. My heart was broken. May we get up now. This one no go sweep this one under carpet. The children will kill that boy. The proprietor said the school is built under waiting. Even the schools then where we say, then they cover head. When then they cover face. Where be missionary school. Make we keep religion apart. We know they get bad eggs. Inside the 12 disciples of Jesus Christ. We not get Judas inside. We dare they lie to ourselves. Lagos state government. Nigeria police force. I don't know as I go tag this one. No. Justice for Sylvester Jr. Justice for Sylvester Jr. Justice for Sylvester Jr. Justice for Sylvester Jr. Darwin College, tell us what happened to that young boy. The death of that boy, the people that killed him, you people should provide them. Produce them. That boy will not just die like that. No, 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 no. This is totally unacceptable. That boy was not sick. No, 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 no. This is inhuman. This is inhuman. Justice. Justice for Sylvester Jr. I ask all the people in Nigeria that genuinely are fighting a genuine cause to cry this cry. Let the government hear about it. Everything that needs to be done should be done to provide the people that killed that young boy and tell the reason why they did that. How can you tell me? Cultism has been in existence for a very long time. Cultism at Center Primary School, one school is saying that their school, they cannot have cultism. Who told you that? Who told you it's not possible? Who told you it's not possible?